Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my daily routine. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Emma. I'm 40 years old, and today I'm going to tell you about a typical day in my life. I have a simple routine, but I like it. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I don't like waking up early, but I have to because I have a busy day. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and get out of bed. I go to the bathroom, I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes because I work from home. I work on my computer all day. At 7:30, I go downstairs to have breakfast. I like to eat something light and healthy. I usually have cereal with milk and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat toast with jam, and sometimes I have an apple. Breakfast is very important to me. It gives me energy for the entire day. At 8, I start working. I check my emails and answer some messages from my colleagues. I work as a freelance writer, so I write articles for different companies. It's a nice job, and I enjoy it. At 12:30, I have a break and have lunch. I don't eat a big lunch, just something small like a salad or a sandwich. After lunch, I like to take a short walk outside to get some fresh air. It helps me feel relaxed and ready for the afternoon. In the afternoon, I work until 4. After, I spend time with my family. At 6, I start preparing dinner. I like to cook and try to make tasty meals for my family. Tonight, I'm making pasta with tomato sauce. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and then I try to relax. I usually read a book or watch TV. At 9, I help my children get ready for bed. I read a story to them and then they go to sleep. After, I spend some time with my husband. We talk about our day or watch a movie together. I go to bed at 10:30. I need a good night's sleep because I have another busy day tomorrow. Now, let's check on your understanding. Try your best to answer these questions. What time does Emma wake up in the morning? Emma wakes up at 7 in the morning. What does Emma usually eat for breakfast? Emma usually eats cereal with milk and a cup of coffee. Where does Emma work and what is her job? Emma works from home as a freelance writer. What does Emma do after lunch? After lunch, Emma likes to take a short walk outside. What time does Emma go to bed? Emma goes to bed at 10:30. If you answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working. See you next time. Bye-bye.